Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Synthesia avatar for your training video purposes. Okay, so let's first of all open Google and let's type here Synthesia AI avatar. Okay, so then just hit the enter button and you will get the first website, synthesia.io. So I'll just click on this website. So you will get this kind of interface on this website. Here you can see that you can create multiple or any kind of avatar for your training videos. So I will just click on get started for free. Here you will get multiple packages like basic, premium, okay, basic, starter, creator, enterprise, but we will go with the basic one because I'm going to teach you how you can use it. In basic plan it includes one editor and 9 AI avatars. Okay, so I'll go with this package. Continue to the basic account. After that, you have to go to continue with your Google account and create an account on Synthesia. So I will click on continue button and that's how my account will be created over Synthesia website. As soon as your account created, you will get a simple looking dashboard of the Synthesia. So at the start, we have to just answer these questions first. Okay, I'm just selecting randomly. After selecting each option, just click on the continue button and it will be good to go. We are testing, so that's why I will write a random things here. So right after that, you can just simply keep on selecting the options and then you can click on the skip button so that your account will finalize fine. Okay, so it's asking to create your first video. Let's go with the event promo and click on start creating button. You can here write your, you can provide instruction for the video for which you want your AI avatar, and you can also tell us, you can tell about the audience in the description so that AI can create video for you. Okay, so I'll just click on the create video. So right after that, you will get interface something like that, in which all avatars will be displayed and the slides will be displayed. You can add multiple scenes here. You can see that you can add multiple scenes here. You can also change the character. If you want to change the character, just simply select the character and then you can change the avatar from this option. You can also modify the text. You can also add your logos. You can, whatever you want to write, you can do these things in just a single place. And here you will get the writings, the text that you have written. Okay, you can also change the background by selecting this option. Let's say we are using this one. Okay, here you can also change. After doing all the required settings, you can just simply click on the generate button. It will generate a video for you. You can also add your own voiceover. So I will just click on the generate button. It will start generating the video for us. Okay, so it's giving an error. We can't generate this video because you don't have permission for a voice in this video. Okay, so let's change. You can change this person's voice. Okay, and that's how you can you just need to add multiple things and then you are good to go. After that, you just click on the generate button and it will generate the things for you. Okay, so that's how you can create avatar on this website for your training purposes. I hope you like the video. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.